Hello everyone, welcome to my planner video for the week, and I'm not doing it with you, I'm just sharing what I've done. And before I get started on that, I bought those black erasable pens to use in my planner for the monthly. Well, I was looking for some stamps I knew I had on my planner cart for planners, for weather mostly, because weather has been kind of a pain here lately. And I discovered I have um, all these wonderful colors of erasable pens, plus it includes one erasable gel pen. Yeah, unopened. So I'll be opening these. I will try these next week for my next week planner. It says it won't bleed through paper, assortable erasable inks. The question I have is, I read a comment somewhere that some of these erasable pens fade over time and then you just can't see what you wrote. And I guess that would be all right if it's after the year ends, because I don't know. Do you keep your planners every year? I have been, but you know what? They're piling up and yeah, I can't afford to. Although it's kind of you can look back, but do I ever look back? I try to look forward more. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I did use this waffle flower. I had like 10 little stamp sets like this. And I don't think I'd ever used most of them, maybe one of them. Anyway, I used the little snowflake and I used the little low temperature thing this time. I should have put clouds on every day too, and wind. We have been having wind like crazy. In fact, we lost power on Saturday for a while, a couple hours. Afternoon into evening, I had to start the generator. Luckily, I have one to keep the refrigerator and freezer going and run the heat and give us well water and stuff like that. And then, anyway, and then this one, I think the only thing I used is this little exercise thing here, because yeah, I need to do that. Yes, I do. So let me put these away and I'll show you my focus point. I was going through stuff on my planner cart. I need to clean my planner cart big time, get rid of stuff I don't use anymore. Anyway, I had this set of stickers from Pretty Cute Planner, and now I've had these for so long. Um, this is her. I don't know if she's still there because I had these from when I was doing vertical planning in a Happy Planner, which has been a couple years now, at least a few years. It was pre-pandemic, let me put it that way. Probably a year or two pre-pandemic. So anyway, I had these stickers called Happy Planner Bold French Country, and they're really pretty, blacks and pinks and yellows and greens, and I used quite a few. I didn't use the hydrate thing even though I should. And I didn't use all of them. I hardly ever use the weekend things, but I tried to use most of them, and I'll probably throw out the rest, although this is a nice folder that maybe I can cover with something and start a journal, because I'm going to be getting into journaling. Yeah, I am. Anyway, I used some stickers out of this book. I think I got it at Walmart or the Dollar Tree. I think I got it at Walmart. Yeah, they're shiny. I don't really care for that much. And then I had a variety of stickers from Etsy shops. This is Vandenberg Designs, Etsy.com. Don't know if they're still there. I think I just used this shower one on there. I don't know if I used any off this sheet. I'm pretty sure I used a coffee mug on here because even though I'm at home, especially when I come upstairs, I use these coffee mugs because they keep my coffee warm longer, and I don't care for cold coffee, although that's barely lukewarm now. And I didn't use that, and I did use one of these for a meal plan. I think we're going to have breakfast for dinner one night, and that's all I used of that. And then I did use some out of this sticker book. At the very end, I found this, and it had roses and stuff to match, so I used those. And I think there was one other book I used, but I don't have it here. right in front of me. I don't remember which one. And I had pulled out like the big boxes and stuff. I didn't use them because there was the washi tapes. Some of them were part of this kit, the strips on the kit. And where's the ones I here? But I did use these out of my own stash. This one at the very top. This one I thought went with it well, sort of lacy here. And this one, which looks like roses and stuff, at the very bottom, there's exactly that width of, I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of busy again. Yeah, I kind of made it busy, and I didn't change out my clip or anything yet. These shinier stickers, most of them are out of that Walmart book. Some of the, well, no, these are out of Walmart. These ones here were out of that book I just showed you called just Stickers. This one, 30 sheets. I don't, it's called, it's from 2016. PPSV-05. I don't know. It's just called Stickers. It's pretty, I hardly have anything out of that one yet. So anyway, I started putting in the snowflake because the weather keeps changing though, so I hesitated to do that. But since it is Monday, Um, there wasn't snow in the forecast until this morning when I checked it again. So there's now snow in the forecast starting, well, flurries like now, and later today it's supposed to start and then go into tomorrow. Originally, we were just supposed to have snow on Tuesday in like 13 inches, and then it went down to 6.5 inches, and now I think the grand total is like 3.5, but maybe with some ice on top or in there somewhere. And yeah, definitely ice because our high today is 28 degrees Fahrenheit and tomorrow is 31 degrees Fahrenheit. And I have these little beads that are everywhere and I don't know where they're coming from. They're like dropping out of nowhere, the little seed beads. Anyway, um, 24 degrees on Wednesday Fahrenheit. You know, all these figures are below freezing. High 31 on Thursday, Fahrenheit, 30 on Friday, 23 on Saturday, and 27 on Sunday, all in Fahrenheit, because that's how we do it in the US, you know. But whatever your freezing temp is, 0, I think, in Celsius, it's at or below that all week this week. Now, I'm really nervous because if we get high winds with snow and everything too, we're probably going to have another power outage. My daughter lost last week with heavy rains and winds because two trees came down on her street and she was without power for 2 days. And it was supposed to be 3 days, so she got lucky it was two. And then we lost power Saturday night, Saturday late afternoon. My son had just left to go for an errand or two, and like 15 minutes after he left or something, I heard a really loud boom. Apparently, a transformer on a telephone pole not too far from here blew up, caught fire, whatever. High winds. It was just windy. There was no rain or anything. No snow at that time, just winds. Anyway, I digress. So today is Monday, the 15th. I'm doing this late. I should have done it Sunday, but I did other things Sunday. Anyway, I'm doing my video for the planner. I also still have to make my passion for purple, which will be on this channel this month. And that's what I'm going to do right after I get this one going. I have two bills I paid, and I have to put them in the mailbox, put stamps on and put them in the mailbox. Passion for purple, planner and video up, exercise at lunchtime. I'm going to do what I can here at home to exercise to a video or something, walking or whatever, because it's too cold out for me. 28's pretty cold. 30 in the 30s, mid 30s, I'm okay. But 28's, I mean, under 30, under freezing, a little cold. Anyway, I'm going to be doing, I think, I'm going to play along with the new open collab by Maria's Miscellany and Turquoise Dreaming Sherry, who does mostly junk journals. They both do mostly junk journals. But they're doing a hashtag junk no more open collab on the 14th of each month. So I'm late, but I just saw it yesterday. And the first month is using tissue boxes. Well, I actually have been saving. I have 3 tissue boxes here. These are the little square ones. These ones were from Kleenex, but I call them tissues because I don't always have that brand. Kleenex is a brand, you know. I saved one of these from opening this because I thought I could cover it. And actually, it's kind of like, yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd cover that. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet because I haven't really gotten into junk journaling, but maybe I will. Maybe I will. Okay, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do with those and start on that and do a video and like a VR for them too. And then so each month on the 14th, I'm going to try and play along, but all I know about February is that they're going to be working on the cover of their junk journal. So they're going to try and make a junk journal by the end of the year. But Sherry said something about, well, maybe if you get excited and make it all at one time kind of thing, you can just start on another one and play along. But I don't know what they're using for their cover since they're doing tissue boxes this week. I would probably use a tissue box for my cover, so I might do that. So anyway, I'm not sure yet. I had cooked dinner. I thawed out yesterday. I thawed out some pork chops, and I have some fresh broccoli. So I want to make them, and I don't know what with it. And then Tuesday we'll probably have leftovers. These were on that country, bold country, French country. So I'm using them because I don't really have a place in this planner to do meal planning like I did in the, what was the other one? Dashboard layout. Leftovers on Tuesday. Wednesday, I have these non carb noodles, gluten-free, carb-free. They're like Japanese clear noodles or something, and I want to make like a stir fry with them and some stir fry veggies I have in the freezer and some chicken that I'll dice up. And yeah, so that'll be Wednesday. Thursday, I think we're going to do breakfast for dinner. Not sure on that yet. That was kind of a I don't know day. And Friday, we didn't do pizza this week, so we'll probably have pizza and a small salad on Friday. And then I left Saturday and Sunday blank for meals because I just don't know. Um, okay, so Tuesday I was supposed to have a doctor's appointment, but it's pretty far away for me, and I don't drive in snow and ice anymore. So I actually called yesterday and left a message because they charge you if you don't give 48 hours notice. And I got in within the 48 hours if they check the timestamp. But anyway, I had to follow up with them on rescheduling that doctor's appointment because I am not going in bad weather. Anyway, Wednesday I have to make the Crack the Vault projects, which is scheduled for Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern to go up. That's a collab, not an open collab, it's a collab by Jamie at Poet Spice is her channel name. I have new bedding and new curtains. I want to change them out in my room and clean my room because I have all my finished jewelry in my bedroom and I can't even get near one side of my bed right now. So I need to figure all that out, clean up, vacuum, dust, change the bedding, change the curtains, all that good stuff. And I want to exercise at lunchtime again. Of course, I had to cook dinner. I have goals this week. Lose 2 to 3 pounds through diet and exercise. We'll see. Get all the crafty stuff done, which I haven't been doing good at the last 2 weeks. Clean my room and put new stuff up. Those are my 3 major things. Thursday, I have to make jewelry from Potomac Beads stuff. Still finish December and then start on January, and that might end up going into here too. I don't know. Where did Tuesday, making jewelry for my collab on the 18th because I have a video that has to go up at noon. That's my collab. I also want to do laundry on Tuesday, my laundry. I did 1 load over the weekend, but I have my darks and some reds I have to do two loads probably. and fold them and put them away, all that stuff. Okay, so making jewelry there. Okay, here I said make the Crack the Vault collab because that has to go up here. I should have my paper pumpkin kit by or on the 19th, so if I get it by then, I will do the unboxing and make as intended video. And then I need to price and photograph jewelry. Etsy, way behind. Not good. I gotta do that. And also on the 19th, I'm expecting my Stampin' Up! Gift order from my demonstrator. So if that comes in when it's expected, I'll do a video on that too. Okay. Saturday, I didn't put any crafty thing down. I put me time, but basically I need to clean my house. I need to organize and clean. Clean, deep clean, scrubbing like big time. I need to mop my kitchen and bathroom floors big time and like 3 times or something to get them clean. And do the litter and vacuum and dust everywhere. It's just a dusty mess right now. Anyway, I hate dusting. I don't mind vacuuming. I don't mind mopping. I hate dusting. But it must be done. Anyway, Sunday, I need to do my planner for next week. I put Smell the Roses. That was a sticker out of the Walmart book. And It's a Plan. Um, Also out of the Walmart book. And Think Happy, Be Happy. That was not out of the Walmart book because I can feel the texture difference. Anyway, planner, and I need to file my receipts from this year already into new folders for 2024 and prepare for my taxes, finish my spreadsheet that I keep, and I also had to buy tax software. That has to be done because February I'm doing our taxes. Well, I'm doing my taxes and my son can do his. Gratitude. I have a sticker for gratitude this time. Grateful to have power and warmth in cold weather is what I put there. There's a lot more things to be grateful for, but based on this past week, and we haven't even really gotten into the snow stuff yet, which is supposed to be coming this week in small form anyway. Um, yeah, I'm a little worried about this winter now. Because if we're losing power at rainstorms and wind, it has been really unusually heavy winds here lately, and I don't like wind. My ears hurt and stuff if I go out in the wind too much, even with a hat on. So, and I do wear a hat if I go out in the cold here now. So that's it. That's my planner. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a lot different than the snow that I should have saved this one for this week and had this back here. But anyway, I found this French bold country stickers, and I wanted to use them. All these stickers, including the meal plans, were out of that. And like I said, they're made for the vertical happy planner, but I may do with them in here. So that was fun. Do all the things. I have to do it all. All right, guys, that's all. Take care. Have a wonderful week ahead, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye. Hugs, love, and peace.